If you're like many students, one of the worst things you can hear is that your instructor has assigned a 10-page research paper that is going to be worth 40% of your grade, and that you have to cite at least 2 peer-reviewed journals, 1 newspaper article, 1 magazine article, and a book. Why can't you just use Google or Wikipedia to do your assignment? Why all this insistence on scholarly this and peer-reviewed that? And where do you start? On behalf of Western Nevada College Library, welcome to this series of online tutorials designed to answer those questions and many more. Now, before we start, I'd like to thank Dr. Bob Baker, Community Campus Library Director at Arizona's Pima Community College, and everyone else involved for permission to base our tutorials on his excellent information literacy series. We live in an information-glutted world where a single search on Google can easily retrieve millions of hits. A study conducted in 2002 at the University of California, Berkeley, estimated that the amount of information recorded in the world was increasing by 30% every year, with 7.3 million new pages added to the Internet every day. There's so much information available to everyone that we're nearly drowning in it. Finding information that is relevant, accurate, and authoritative has never been more challenging. There's a traditional world of information like books, journals, and newspapers, as well as TV and radio. There's the online world of published databases and e-books, and there's the online world of information on the open web. We're going to look at all of these. This series is all about improving your research skills, your abilities to find, use, and evaluate information. What you learn in this series will certainly come in handy while you're in school, because most instructors will have expectations that you will be able to find and cite peer-reviewed journals and other authoritative content for your class assignments. But beyond that, what you learn from these tutorials will give you a leg up in the real world, both at work and at home. In this series, we're going to talk about how to evaluate and use library websites, library catalogs, online databases, web search engines, websites on the open web, and traditional information sources such as books and periodicals. We're also going to look at how to select a topic and how to make sure that you haven't accidentally plagiarized information from any of your sources. The episodes in this series have been arranged in a specific order, and I would urge you to view them in that order, since the information in each episode assumes that you're familiar with the material in the preceding ones. The following tutorials will take you about 10 minutes to review. They should save you hours of research time. The tutorials are designed to be introductory in scope. If you have the time, I'd strongly encourage that you read one of the many good books written about conducting library research. There are also some great resources on the WNC Library website. Don't forget that both college librarians and your instructors are interested in making sure that you are truly information literate. Feel free to ask questions as you do your research projects. The ultimate purpose for this series of tutorials is to help you become a more knowledgeable information consumer and help you get better grades. Thank you for watching.